Hi everyone, welcome all to LT Coders YouTube channel. This is the first video of the video series. In this series, we will talk about the user interface designing, HCI technique, why we should learn this technique, and much more things regarding the HCI. So, I like to start our topic with the importance of human-computer interaction. Firstly, let's see what does the human-computer interaction mean. It's known as the between man and machine interaction. In this subject, we will study the design and use of computer technology. This is the precise definition of HCI. Human-computer interaction is a discipline concerned with design, evaluation, and implementation of interactive computing system for human use and with study of major phenomena surrounding them. So in this definition, we should main focus human-computer interaction is discipline concerned with the designing, evaluation, and implementation. If you understand this definition, now you have to know it is a subject which is directed to many disciplines of other study streams. So what are these other study streams? Computer science and engineering, which is able to build necessary technology, business management, focus to market it, arts, graphic designers to produce effective interaction, writing, technical writing to produce the manual to the users, sociology to help understand wider context of the interaction. So, what is the role of HCI? Actually, some users not only cannot work but also cannot live without their computers in everyday life. For example, email, Facebook, YouTube are becoming very popular social media platform now. What are interactive systems? In this case, let's consider crying at a dead person. What will be happen? Will he ask, why are you crying? No, he cannot answer your question. It doesn't respond to anything. So this is not good interactive system. Yeah, there are two-way communication in the same language, a dialogue, able to understand or interact. Facebook, YouTube are very big, very popular interactive systems. Uh, in this video, I talk very briefly about this topic. In the next video, we will talk about the components of HCI model. See you in the next video. Bye bye.